Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning about the area of a circle. So the main thing to note here is that a circle is not like any concave or convex polygon that we have learned about in the past. If you don't know what those are, check out the pop-up that will show up in the top right corner. So uh, it does not have any straight edges like a rectangle, square, triangle, etc. So we cannot use base times height as the formula. But what we can use is the formula for calculating the area of a circle. So the formula is pi r squared. So pi is a number, it's like a standard number that comes with most any circle formula that you have. Pi is just a number created by mathematicians to help with finding the values of a circle. So if you have a calculator, then you can just go ahead and enter pi. But say you don't have a calculator and you're doing this by hand, you can just round it up to approximately 3.14. That is a standard notation, or yeah. So as you have pi as 3.14 is what we'll take for an example. So say and for r, so r is the radius length. So r is length of radius. Length of radius. So r is the length of a radius. And if you don't know what a radius is basically a line that originates from the center of a circle and connects with any point outside on the exterior on the circle. So basically, all these lines that I'm drawing right now, these are all radii. And all radii, it's important to remember that all radii are congruent. So let's go with a problem here. Okay, say that we have a circle right here. Oh, that's not a very good circle. Let's say we have a circle right here. Let's say the circle, we'll go ahead and do that. Let's say the circle has a radius of approximately 3 inches. So we'll call this point A. And the radius is about 3 inches. So how do we find the area of a circle? So area. Question. Area of circle A. So what is the area of circle A? Well, since we have the radius of a circle, we can just plug this into the calculator. We can get 3.14, which is pi, times radius, which is 3, and then squared. If you remember the formula, it's pi r squared. So I want you to pause the video and go ahead and try to solve this problem on your own. And tell me when you are done. Okay, I'm assuming you have finished solving the problem. So let's go ahead and start. So before we start, we can't just do 3 times 3.14 or pi times 3 because that is not how algebra works. We have to always do the exponents first because of the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. The E always comes first. So what we'll have after this is 3.14 times 9, because 3 squared is basically 3 times 3, which is 9. So then when we multiply 3 times 3.14 times 9, we get 28.26. And that is the area of the circle. So let's try another example. This time we'll make it a bit harder. So let's say this time, you are given, we'll just say this is point A again. And let's say this time you have a line that originates from here and it goes to point A. What you are asked to find is the radius given the area of circle A. We'll say it is approximately 34.50. I'm just making these up on the go and solving them with you guys. So I want you to pause the video and go ahead and try this problem on your own and tell me when you're done. Okay, so let's set this up. So the area of circle A. So when we take the area of circle A, we have to basically set up an equation. So the area is 34.50 is equal to, and then we just write the formula, pi r squared. So 34.50 so equals 3.14 times r squared. So what we can do here first is just get rid of the 3.14. So we'll just do 34.50 divided by 3.14. And if I'm correct, I'm pretty sure that that is approximately 10.99, if I'm correct. So let's just move this down. So let's just erase this. So we got that 34 divided by 3.14 is equal to approximately 10.99. So now that we've got that is equal to 10.99 is equal to r squared. How do we get rid of this exponent right here? Well, we do the square root. We take the square root. So then we take a square root on this side as well. So then what we do is we get square root of 10.99 equals r. So if we put that in the calculator, then we get 10.99 and we get my TI-84 3.32 approximately. So that would be the answer. So this would be 3.32. I'm pretty sure. Let me just check. Yes, 3.32. So that would be the length of the radius, 3.32. So that is how you get, when you have the area of a circle, you find the radius. And the previous example, which was previously in the video, we would basically plug in the radius into the formula to find the area of a circle. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day. Bye. And if you have any comments, just share them below.